Hey there, Todd Watley, certified overall attorney with Generations Legal Group. Okay, a fun one today. Do stepchildren inherit automatically? No. Thank you. Bye. See you later. Kidding. The answer is no. Okay, unequivocally no. They do not inherit by law, by intestate, by whatever. Now, I would say in most situations, 55-45, maybe 60-40. In most situations, most people don't want their stepchildren to inherit from their estate. There's a fairly large proportion who's like, look, I've been their dad since they were 3, okay? And I want them to inherit just like my kids do. I consider them my kids. My kids consider them their siblings. I mean, everything's beautiful and lovely. And it's rainbows and unicorns and everything's great. I want to share equally. But if you don't take steps to include them in your estate plan in a written estate planning document, they're not going to get anything. Okay. And so if you do want them to inherit, you need to list them in your plan. You need to either list them as a payable and death beneficiary, or you need to list them in your trust to say, yes, I want them to inherit from my estate. You can leave your money to anybody that you want to. Hey, I've seen people leave money to their stepchildren and not to their kids. Family stuff happens. You know, there are good reasons for leaving money to people and not to people. That's not for us to judge. It's our job to do what you want done. Okay. And so if you don't want them included in your estate plan, they're not. Okay. By law, they are not included in your estate plan. But I think this video is mainly for those people who have stepchildren. My wife is a stepchild of her father, and he adopted them, and he's been in her life since she was 6 months old. Okay. So I am very close to a situation like this. And he never adopted her because her biological father was a military person. She got benefits up until she married me. Okay. And so had he adopted her, that would have cut that off and they would have lost a lot of money. And so he never adopted. But that's her dad. She is his daughter in all practical purposes, and he wants her to benefit from his estate. And therefore, we had to put that in writing to make sure that a stepchild does benefit from the step parent. Okay. So it doesn't automatically happen. You have to make it happen for them to inherit. Okay. Hope that makes sense. If you have further questions, please give us a call, 479-601-4119. Leave a comment below, ask questions below. Please subscribe. Please share with people. And you can also go to our website, generationslegalgroup.com. A lot of good information, and you can schedule an appointment. Okay. See you next time.